So today I'm going to be showing you how to send a commit or push a commit, I should say, to GitHub from your code and using the command line. So I'm going to start by making a change in a file so that you can see how this works. So I'm going to open up my folder here. So typing CD takes you to that folder. And opens it for you. If you type ls, hit enter, it lists everything that's in that folder. So I want to open my landing page folder in VS Code. So to do that, we're just going to type code landing page. Did I type that right? Yeah. And click enter. And that's going to automatically open up all the files within the landing page folder in VS Code for me automatically, which I think is like the coolest thing ever. So once you've done that, I'm just gonna type something quickly. This is my landing page. What the heck? Project. Okay, we're gonna click save. In my HTML, I'm gonna add my HTML boilerplate, click save. I'm just gonna leave the CSS file alone for now. So we've saved all of these, right? So you have a couple options. You can do it from here in VS Code, but I haven't really done that too many times yet, and I really wanna practice doing it in the command line. So I'm gonna minimize this, right? And we're gonna go back to the terminal. And we're gonna type in git status. Oh my gosh, I can't spell today. Click enter. Not a git repo. Oh, sorry, I have to open up the landing page repository first. Then we'll type git status. Okay, so as you can see here in red, we see the two things that I modified. I modified the README file and I modified the index.html file. So changes not staged for commit. So that means that I've made changes, but I have not committed them. So if I continue to make changes, whatever I did here is not saved on its own, like as its own file. So we want to do that right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to type git add. I'm going to type the names of these files. So we're going to do our readme.md file and the index.html file, and we're going to click enter, right? So we're going to type git status again, and now you can see changes to be committed, the modified readme file and the modified index.html file. So now we can commit these, right? And in order to do that, we are going to type git commit -m, and we're going to name the name of this commit would be changed readme and index file. Oh my goodness, I cannot type today. Sorry. You want to make sure you type that in quotations because you're naming the commit, and you're going to type enter. Now you can see here the name of the commit changed readme and index files, and 2 files changed. So next, what you're going to do now is push these commits to GitHub so that you can see them on your GitHub profile. So you're simply just going to type git push, and that's going to push these files to GitHub. And we're going to type git status one more time because we just want to see, yep, if it went through. So here, nothing to commit, working tree clean. So that means you've pushed everything that you've done into GitHub, you've committed everything, there's nothing left for you to do. So we're gonna open up GitHub here. I'm gonna refresh. I'm in my repository right now. And as you can see right here, changed readme and index files, changed readme and index files have been added 1 minute ago. And that's it. So this is what you're going to do every time you want to commit a portion of your project and push it to GitHub. You don't have to check git status each and every single time, but I like to just to make sure I did it right. I am new to this, so still try to make sure I do everything properly. And as you can see, I stay typing improperly. I keep forgetting things. So, or spelling things incorrectly. So, yeah, that's how you push your files to GitHub. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a like, subscribe if you want to see more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know if this was helpful. Yeah, see you next time.